certainly because of globalization, because people are having to learn how to do their jobs, working with different communities, different groups, and expatriates going to work in different parts of the world, learning how to do better at their particular jobs. And because jobs are changing, that we are seeing a lot more growth in people who have different abilities and cultural backgrounds. And so I think that, again, every organization has a need for PR. Every person in an organization needs to understand PR. It's everybody's responsibility. I think that they will have to learn that the audiences will speak lots more languages. There will be more ages, more mindsets, more interest levels that they have to deal with. That technology itself is something that they have to be on top of. Students are very interested in social media. I think that what they have to learn is how to use the technology. There's always going to be some new technology, and I think that young people are very inquisitive about the technology as it comes out. But I think that also my students in particular are sitting in classrooms with people who are majors in the technologically focused fields. So they are learning it as it happens. Pat Jackson talked about that years ago. He said that there are 9 ways that PR contributes to the bottom line. And I do believe that. I believe that more and more people are seeing the value of mediating, fact providing roles for public relations.